My drain field is dying? What is that? Is my septic system haunted? Turns out I didn't need a plumber or a new drain field. I just needed this Accelerator by Dr. Pooper. It clears organic clogs, scum, and sludge in septic tanks and drain fields. Rejuvenates failing drain fields and stops those scary gurgling noises. Plus, it eliminates odors and gets your system flushing like new. And this isn't just another bacteria or enzyme. It's a commercial-strength bio-accelerator that multiplies bacteria reproduction by 40 times. It's safe, non-toxic, made in America, and guaranteed to work. Or I get my money back. Stop the gurgling and save thousands. Get Accelerator by Dr. Pooper today.